Mama Akwaba, wafreme Adjoa searching Mesrel, now wa subscribe to my channel. Near notification bell also for more news.
I want to be able to show said Miss Me Jimmy our sister. Mr. Bright, check. NDC for my year when the picture say Bano NDC and MPP, there's a lot of big difference. I are now and go put you up together. I'm in pet. Me pacho and I can say, and then a Dr. Baumie. Me pacho register no and no na all the political parties no beto aba.
No.
Me pacho independent food in the same register na beto aba na meboa.
The same register.
Me pacho and na me no ka say cheddar na na bedi akon onam nkurase ni kuro mu a person within the 12-point pillar or kan ye no o chire mu chire nkrofo enye sa na tie.
Enu ani pepepe okuya bisi.
And then Kofi Akpalu onama auto the message. And then Alan Kwejo Chiremantin enam ono so na mutwum auto the message. And then ontucha obia asebe obeya election will be at this particular 3-month moment no. Auto ne neama o pese Ghana for gina so no mo de to abama no. Me pacho me pese me bisa NDC for na bibi o mo de yejimi no. Having they launched their manifesto. Boss, has NDC launched their manifesto?
Oh, they have. So what Winiba?
Into one launch your manifesto. Dr. Baumia Nami, one nam unkrase, Napoli Canada, Japan Namha, Justin Kodia Namha, Utie, Napoleon Namha, Second Lady Namha, and Penifo party former MPs and a Namasia ye campaign say, ye pese yan kwa 14 years say, and near Mamun de Bayer Ding, Nancy Busua, ye done in Yamanka crackra, Nabaumia Niama or Peso de Bebre Funi, you are Peso de Bre Port Funi, you are Peso de Bre Sports ni, you are Peso de Bre Police Funi, you are Peso de Bre Technology Funi, into on Namwa, all your day, Chichen near Ma or Segana Fujinaso, headed to Abamano. Unimbia or say, say kunim se ube lusu ana we dede no eso na mo ahoye ona mo ahoye dede nti ono agasa me ati ase so wode nkwase ani mbese a rebio mechanic plane NDC aba we wo mani mbegu ase se susukuru wa bone na wo masusu no wo anyanya nsase mi anka nkire Ghana fo nti no Ghana fo be 20 ya I'm telling you anybody mark this way NDC things on benya no fala so be kaya edu ba bi kra na o se o nye campaign mebo. They said they will not campaign.
Of course.
Romobeyan say, Omo de Nanado video, any Baumia video, Omo de Beshim, no ma for popcorn, no matinase, no Oma Bachelor for keke. That alone will bring them to power. So why there's all this giddy? Say NDC a party a person J. Nenyan Sanwo Yitilman Kedo. Oh, they cry Yakoye, we are just still like a file form. Because you got all the regions, ko ye de ko ye hofi, all the gidi ni every krana. They are registered it no, sanity. Tina me say Russia now or call nobody is going to hack into the system of Ghana. Boss, the way I hear boy you could no buying this time no. Technology at Aroma, digitization at Aroma. Yes, I use biometry. The way I hear buying. No amount of Russian oligarch, there's no amount of Russian influence that is going to win this power for John Dramani Mahama. They could forget that dream.
Felix.
Boss.
When you say American election crown, it is alleged say Russia foot to move all the sophisticated machines or money, technology, nimdia war.
And what happened? And what happened? And what happened? Trump still lost.
No.
Trump still lost.
When Trump came into office, on Hillary Clinton, it was alleged, he said, Russia finished Trump to me in Winnie Abano.
Good. It was alleged, say, this very time around with Joe Biden, I'm telling you, because all those allegations were just alleged. But this time around, Russia tried the security, with the secret intelligence people have made it known. It was actually brought to how do they call it, to the Senate. The people involved were brought there and it was established, say, indeed, Russia tried to steal this election for Donald Trump's second term, and it didn't happen. It didn't happen, and it will not happen. Boss, man, you say Ghana, your electoral commissioner, when he said, Diana, is I know, may catch it. First, no, you code, no, the Israel. And the code no Jimensa bossman ne one go on ukonum go on to know all of them. There is no Russian influence that is going to win this election for John Dramani Mahama. It will not work. It will not work, and they have messed up themselves because they spent 8 years making somebody popular. Baumia, Bawulaya. Now he is the most popular politician in Ghana as we speak. Ghana. And now by now you say, Wabe say Ghana, Baumia come and do this, Baumia come and do that. No, one way to me have rev one mobile room, it's the brand new fishing harbor at the Amaye Jamestown for. And this same Tibonko, so NDC people will come and say Bawulaya. But so what do you know? Only pan say a bama fishing harbor near the Amamu was a Bawulaya. What do you know? Okokana, oh, Felix, taking it easy. Hey, there is no taking it easy with these NDC people. They just don't want Ghana to develop, and they will do everything and anything that they can do to destroy Ghana before anything else. And that is why some of us have sacrificed ourselves, sacrificed some of what, like the things that we used to do just to put our life on the line and make sure the truth is spoken all the time to enlighten our brothers and sisters who otherwise will not be able to understand what these people are trying to do. How can you tell me, say, I went to one president and begged him to give me a fishing harbor? He claimed his dollar to CD rating was better. He claimed his economy had money, but he couldn't deliver that for me. I went to the next president. His economy was bad. You can't even eat. We can't even breathe. Dokno buayedin, Gari buayedin, Akoko buayedin, Dollar buayedin, Bibia buayedin, Osistila, Metumiesi, Fishing Harbor, Edi Amayenuanum Kanafadentia, Ebe Kreti Eduma. Omejuma no hobeya kono. Nensu winnim nyansa nti. Wakofa red, black, green, the gu ko mu se emefa mea ofui, woton nam, wo san pe mea manabe, onenye no obewe usabi onfa so ewu benya no. Emefa mea na wugina wa emefa mea no kire se wo be den, wo ba bewe wo nam no gomsuban no wo ye nyinamwa, wo de nam to ha. What the poison fa ho kra wo be put poison egu awe nam na ko NDC fo suban no ugina ho as a graduate in krani graduate bitrisana why you wa fun say intropo ambubo yie ye sorry a na ma gas na ma eska no akotena Metro TV no why we nim den say ayo doko no enya meye na wo de kan kwasi asem na wo di mpanifo atem aboe wa ban no ye call no ho say on man kranfo fishing harbor no bitrisana wentumi ama Utie, Bitrizana Utie, stray bullet, and account. Because no sorry, but not TV so and a choppy, the Kufuado government is despicable. It's cannot can't see a brofo because also no wako said the lawyer school. Would tell so what by now would Gina Metra who did dear Kufuado attempt for no? Ye can't say one man can for fetching harbor. Was he going to mean yet? I don't know say Bobo. Ohinimu ho se bobo akokwa umuade ene ya bandre woni Sebastian Jimmy Sebastian Peli Sebastian Pili woto ho na nkwase akeka ade a wonim na wo keka na wo face woto a yampia boy se boje ne so ne Jimmy ene ebaji ne dwan wonimu a wonko bi sankrofo bi a womode wom kra ne ade esi wode ma NDC ene ye franya kra ye huyan enti wo de ye wo ko atwitwa se kofo bia flower na ye ho ba ma Jimmy puto se de wuku owo ne Jimmy na did mpenifo atem na keka nkwasi asem na the day of reckoning will catch up with you and you know how stupid you have been. Wonya boa na wo yenyansani a sebio you went to one president build me a fishing harbor. Let me be able to work. The person is not able to build it for you. Another person build it. The person who rather built it is rather the bad one because and can dokon your 5 CD. Wow, boa. Nyansen ni mutiri. Yes, I'm in NDC, but truly during NDC time, I was not paid. Under MPP, I'm being paid. However, I'm NDC, so I want to reset to the time when the government couldn't pay me. What you
And you did the attempt because the brain is not working. Because me, I'm sebi, I didn't hear Jumano, Namako, na gave you show me. Get any show me, we na get for from the farm. Epe palm, me fire. Mess my pamo again now, one wabe brem who didn't see,